Do you know any 5 countries in Africa that you can mention?
It's so rude.
No, I just want, wait. I just want you to say, hi guys, it's Sam Mavita here. In this video, I just want to surprise my Pakistani friend and some other friends of mine. I just want to ask them, how well do they know about Africa? How do you know about Africa? How many countries can you name in Africa? Which other African countries do you know apart from South Africa? So in this video, I will be asking people if they know about Africa that much. So we have to be together because where I am going, we have to meet our friends from Pakistan and ask them if they know Africa that much. Let's go. Okay. Hi guys. So I have my first friend here and I just want to ask him some questions that if he can answer properly, and then we have to see if he can answer. Yasin, can you tell me any 5 countries that you know in Africa?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you name them?
Yes, why not?
You think so they're wise?
Yeah, so can you give me the names of
One is
Africa?
Malawi is for you.
Yeah.
And number 2,
Yeah.
this South Africa.
Yes.
And number 3 is Algeria, Nigeria,
Yeah.
Congo, DRC. We're talking about this people is DRC.
Okay.
Another one is Zimbabwe.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So you have mentioned and he's adding up. Okay. Can you name any South African president that you know? Ramaphosa and other former president.
Another country president.
No, I mean South African president.
Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela. Okay. Yeah, as you can see that Mr. Yasin here, he knows African countries very much. And I asked him to give me only 5, but he ended up giving over 5 answers. So, yeah, I hope he knows African countries so much. Let's go and find another person and see if they can answer questions properly. I just want to ask you if you can name any other 5 African countries you know, except Malawi.
African country except Malawi.
Yeah, except Malawi.
Zimbabwe,
Yeah.
Mozambique, Tanzania, Zambia, Ghana.
Brother, I want to know if you can mention any other 3 countries from Asia.
Pakistan,
Yeah.
India, Afghanistan.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. What about any 3 countries in Africa? Any 3, except South Africa?
Namibia, Botswana, Zambia.
Do you know any 5 countries in Africa that you can mention?
It's so rude.
No. I just want, wait. I just want you to say any 5 countries that you know in Africa. Any 5.
Okay, I'm very high. Don't want to speak like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Kielo. Yeah.
Can you name any 2 African countries that are in West Africa?
In West Africa,
Yeah.
Don't know why it's going on.
I can't say right now.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother. Do you know any other countries from West Africa?
Brazil, Argentina, Canada.
Okay. What about in South America?
South America. No.
Fine. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. That was about today's video, asking people if they know Africa that much. Do you know Africa that much? If you like this video, guys, please like this video and please subscribe. It will help me to make more videos like this. Until the next video, I'm gonna do it. My name is Sam Mavita and this is Sam Mavita YouTube channel. Guys, please subscribe.